Hey sophomores, how you doing? Let's go over our AP plan for the day. So here's our plan for Tuesday. Oh, and if you're wondering why I am not here, right now I'm knocking on doors, trying to get people out to vote because today is election day. So I'll be in class back again tomorrow. Just trying to do my little part today. All right, let's begin. Our awesome sub who is here, what our substitute is going to do is going to put up a timer for 15 minutes in just a moment. But right now what you need to do is you need to go in your books to page 254. And if you take your packets, go to page 254, you're going to work on Think of as a Historian. After you're done with that, you're going to go working right to multiple choice. You can change your answer here. You can add some more reasons to it if you want. But these are going to be due. So you're going to have 15 minutes to work on these in your groups. So in your groups means, yes, you do need to go to your work groups. So go to your work groups, which are right here. You guys know them. Go to your work groups. Get there. Once you are there, what the substitute will do is start that timer for 15 minutes. You'll have 15 minutes to do Think as a Historian and the multiple choice. So get moving, everybody. Go ahead. All right, now that our 15 minutes are done, I hope that went well with Think as a Historian and multiple choice. Now what I want you guys to do is to take out a piece of paper because vocab test is up next, I know. So go ahead and get a piece of paper out, put that in front of you, and what's going to happen is our substitute in just a moment, once they see that everyone's got a piece of paper out and is ready to take the vocab test, will show this next part with the vocab words. So once everyone is ready, awesome substitute, show our next part here. There are our vocab words. The room should be totally quiet. And let's take our time to get this vocab test done. When you are done with the vocab test, you may continue going over your SAQ graphic organizer from yesterday. There's going to be an SAQ test. That's going to be tomorrow. Now, as I told you, or we should have told you, we're going to have about 20 minutes of class tomorrow to keep preparing for this SAQ test. And the last part of class, we'll take the SAQ test, we'll turn our packets in, and we'll collect everything and start chapter 14. So once you finish the test, go over your SAQ test. You can even start pre-writing your paragraphs if you want to. And that'll take us all the way till the end of class. So go ahead, we can pause this and have a good luck. See you guys tomorrow.